Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to redeem Steam wallet code, and now let's dive right in. Now to redeem your Steam wallet code, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account, as I've already logged into my Steam account over here. Now in order to proceed to redeem your Steam wallet code from here on this interface, at the top left corner of the screen you can see guys a bunch of options are available for us. Click on the games option where my mouse is currently hovering, and this kind of menu will appear where you can see the redeem a Steam wallet code option. Click on redeem a Steam wallet code, and you'll be required to enter your Steam wallet code over here on the box where I'm currently typing, whichever may it be. And after entering your code guys, click on continue and follow the procedure over here, and then your wallet code will then the net amount of your wallet code will be added to your Steam account. And with that being said guys, this is how to redeem your Steam wallet code. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.